Hello and welcome back to POWR tutorial videos. In this video, we will take a closer look into responses dashboards, email to form admin functionality, and other advanced features of the form builder. POWR allows you to view and manage your form responses in several ways. Here's how you can use the responses functionality in POWR. But first, let's find our responses dashboard. Go to your editor, click on the View Responses button, and this will redirect you to the responses dashboard. And here you have a view that displays all form submissions in a table format. And you can search responses based on various criteria. For example, by date of submissions. Click over here and you can show your submissions for the last 7 days, for the last 30 days, or customize the date range to show your submission for the past 3 months or a year. Also, to view more submissions, scroll down and click on the View button. And here you can show all 100 submissions or 1,000 submissions. Also, the POWR Responses dashboard allows you to export form responses to a CSV file or to a Google Sheet document for further analysis or data processing. To do so, click on the Download Responses button. Enter your email address and you'll receive the CSV file straightly to your email address. Also, you can set up email notification to receive alerts when someone submits a form response. To do so, let's go back to our editor, click on Settings tab, and in Notification, click on Email to Form Admin. Enter your email address, click on Publish button to save the changes. And you'll receive the email notification whenever your user submits a form. POWR also offers advanced features for managing form responses, such as the ability to delete responses. It's over here. Click on Actions and delete the submission. View the response statistics and set up response validation rules as limitation by date, response quantity, or submissions per IP. So let's go back to our editor, back to Settings tab, and over here you can find the After Submissions options, where you can toggle on this and prevent multiple form submissions per IP address. This is useful for polls, but please keep in mind that if submitter will use another internet source which has different IP address, he would be able to submit form one more time. And also, you can limit submissions by date and set a deadline over here, or you can set submission limit by the submission, like 10 submissions per form, and etc. Overall, with POWR, you can easily collect, manage, and analyze form responses to gain insights and improve your business processes.